And hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So this will be our very first tutorial on how to do some Japanese. Now I'm planning to first show you all how to just get ready with all of the Hiragana and Katakana. And yeah, so let's start with our first lesson. I first want to split up what we'll basically be doing. Now you're going to basically see a setup like this for most of the time until I get a better one. And I'll basically be drawing my letters and stuff on here, or not letters, more symbols. Yeah, my symbols and stuff on here, for example, A, don't choose that A, that A looks terrible. But anyways, I'll be doing my things on here and explaining how I'll be doing things. So first we're going to learn Hiragana. Now Hiragana is basically the bare minimum where you start with if you want to learn how to write Japanese. We're first going to learn how to write it, then we're going to learn how to talk it. So you start with Hiragana. This is basically, as you can say, original Japanese. Then you go to Katakana. Now Katakana, don't worry, my handwriting looks better than this in Japanese. Now Katakana, that should be an N. Basically, you can see this if you have like an English word in Japanese, you'd basically write it here. For example, ball would be written in katakana because ball would be English, or apple, you know. And in hiragana you'll write actual Japanese words. For example, let's say Nihongo, which is basically Japanese, the language, if I'm not mistaken, or Nihonjin, which is a Japanese person, or Nihon, which is Japan. And you basically write that in hiragana. But they can also be used to represent spaces. We'll get more into deeper details about these two in later videos. I just want to show you all what we're going to be doing. So first we'll be learning these two. Yeah, I don't really have that much space to write it right now, to be honest. So first we're learning these two, how to write them in them. Then we'll be moving on to learning how to talk talk. Learn how to talk and write Japanese. This means, for example, watashi wa Steven desu, for example. Not literally, we're going to learn how to actually talk it and not just make up random non-working sentences. But while we're learning how to talk Japanese, we'll be doing the writing as well. So we'll be writing hiragana and katakana. It looks better if I have more space, but I can't go past this. So we'll be doing this, but also Japanese has one more, we could say alphabet, we could almost say, but it has a lot, and I mean a lot of characters. I think it has over 5,000. That's why I don't want to do this, because this right here, these two, they're not that much. They're like, I think 30 maybe. Each one is like 30, I'm not really sure, but it's not that much. It's basically the same amount as the normal Latin alphabet, like English, you know. But then you have maybe this kanji. So yeah, this is how we'll basically be learning. We'll first learn hiragana, then katakana, then we'll learn how to talk a bit of it by writing it. And then, once we feel confident about our hiragana and katakana, we'll learn how to talk it, actually like talk to other people about it. Because first we're just going to do stories, hiragana and katakana stories. And then we'll be learning how to actually communicate with people. And in this way we'll also be learning kanji. And yeah, so next time we'll be learning how to write a, i, u, e, o, which is the first part of Japanese. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed and are excited for what is to come. See you all in the next.